So how I teach people to earn from trademark registration? I've been doing this over time, and we've had tens of students who have taught how to carry out trademark registration. We've broken down the concept of trademark registration to them, and we've helped them to understand everything they need to understand when it comes to trademark registration. So why do we have I created this course? I've noticed a gap. Most people do other things or related who provide related services like CAC registration. They don't offer trademark registration on the side, right? And I feel it's a gap that is important for them to be able to cover. So, what are the kind of problems that beginners face? Beginners don't have access to information, access to contact, and the fact that they might not even know the cost for the process. So, it might make it difficult for them. They might also be making mistakes during the process if they decide to start on their own. Personally, I've made free videos online trying to educate people on how to carry out trademark registration, why trademark registration is important. But I noticed that will not be enough because there's no um, there's no particular location where you can have all these videos put together. And also, I put together the course which I titled Trademark Toolkit, where all the different information you need to be able to carry out trademark registration is hosted. All you need to do is simply go to the description and click on the link to get access to the course, right? So, what the training focuses on is basically a hands-on guide on how to carry out trademark registration, provision to or access to all the documents that you require to be able to carry out successfully trademark registration, and also all the different details like the document that you need and the information you need from people to be able to carry out trademark registration. So what are the things you need to ask your client to provide, right? You will just get access to all those in the community. So we have a support system we have created. A support system allows you to come to us, and you be in the community. In the community, or that is the WhatsApp group, you will be able to get access to all the information, and we'll have weekly or as much as possible we'll meet just to educate each other on the different and new developing details of trademark registration, right? So I hope this video has actually helped you. If it has, do well to click on the subscription button and make sure you like this video. Do well to also purchase the course because it's going to change your life. Apart from the fact that you are going to learn how to carry out trademark registration, it's going to help you financially, right? Help you increase your income, help you be able to provide that service in your business. See you in the next one. Nice.